so today I will show you how to prank your friends that you're a hacker. So this will not be a real hacking, so we will just print directories so you look like a hacker. So first, this is in Windows, so if you're in Windows then you need to do this. You can't do this on Ubuntu or Linux or Mac. I don't know if we can on Mac or not. So first we will make the color green, and then you can add this if you like, or if you don't like, you can just skip that. I made this green so it looks like you're a hacker more. So you enter, and then you see that they're printing the directories, so it won't stop. If you click this, then it will stop. So now I will show you how to do this on Ubuntu. So in Ubuntu, first open the terminal, and then over here just write so what I want to say is this will be a normal one. You can set this whatever you like. For example, like you have hacked someone, so this will it will do like this. Or if you don't like, then you can just change this to other. For example, like hello. So this is in Ubuntu, so you can do this in Windows. You cannot. Yes, hello. You can put whatever you want, like he, hell, or something else. Yeah. This will print, and then there's another way that you can do. So I will put this in the description, so you can just copy it and then paste it. If you don't want to do, then you can just use the yes one. So over here is like a long one to memorize. So this will be like this. You can see those are printing. Okay, so we will close that. So I will put this in the description, so you can copy it and then paste it in your terminal, and then you can run this. And then you can't do this on Windows. You can only like do this on Ubuntu. Yeah. For these two OS, I will show these how to prank your friends like you're a hacker in these two OS. In these two operating systems. So first, this will be the Ubuntu. So you can also say yes, HH, I don't know. So that's all for today. So thanks for watching today's video. And then you can go and prank your friends, and then share this video to someone. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoy, and then I hope your friends love. Thanks for watching. Bye.